So we got two things going on with this shovel. It's got a lot of use, but it's a quality shovel with a lot of reinforcement. So first we got a major crack here. I'm just going to try to melt the plastic back together here so it doesn't get worse. The other part is the edge here. We have now the steel part of the blade is no longer accessible, so I'm going to try to shave this down just a bit to expose the metal and sharpen it just a bit to help with clearing ice. So this is similar to how I repaired my refrigerator. If you've seen that video, I don't know if I even posted that video, but melted a crack back together. And I'm going to work just a little bit on this to see if I can do a similar work here. So I'm also going to add a strip of, so this is from a plastic putty tool, and I'm going to cut it off. I'm going to add it here as support because this, even though this has melted together, I don't think it's going to really do anything. So, you know, what would MacGyver do? I think we're working on it. And so, while some people who live in your house may not understand why you keep every screw from the last 75 years, when it comes to repairing something, then you're going to be looking through these screws looking for just the right size. Found it. Lost it. Found it. So I'm putting these into this. I would like to get 3 in it. We'll see if that will work. Need to bend it just a little bit. All right, so I was able to get 3 screws in it. I think that will help. Again, is this worth it? Well, you know, we've got snow and ice outside, and there is not a single snow shovel for sale in the city, so you gotta do what you gotta do. Just a word on my workshop. You know, you see some really neat workshops on YouTube. I try to keep mine real, just, you know, this is real life, and so if your workshop looks like this, give me a thumbs up, right? All right, so I cut some of the plastic back to expose the metal edge, and now I'm doing a little bit of filing of that edge just to get it sharpened a bit so that this will function a little better in the snow and ice out there. Again, is there a better way to do this? There probably is. In fact, everything I do, there's probably a better way to do it, but sometimes you have to get by, and today we have to get by. So a few minutes work on this snow shovel should put it back in operation, take care of a few things. It's not going to last a lot longer, no, but the ones they had before the storm hit were the really cheap ones. This one's a nice one. It was a nice one. It's lasted a long time.